The next type of questions, that is combination of solids. So I'll write this as exercise D. Main question 1. A toy is in the shape of cone surmounting a hemisphere. The height and radius of the base of conical part are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the surface area and volume of the toy. So what is the shape of toy? On the hemisphere, so this is a hemisphere. On this hemisphere, a conical part is surmounting it. Surmounting it means what? The radius of base of cone and the radius of hemisphere are same. Okay. The height and radius of the base of conical part are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is the height of the conical part, this perpendicular height 4 centimeter, and radius of base of both cone as well as hemisphere is 3 centimeter, and we don't know what is slant height. Correct? We must have to find the surface area and volume of the toy. Surface area of this toy is the lateral surface area of cone plus sphere. Lateral surface area of sphere. Okay. To find the lateral surface area of cone, we should know what is slant height. Correct or no? So first we will calculate what is slant height. So slant height is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Correct? So L is equal to square root of h is, this height is 4 centimeter plus 3 square. So L is equal to square root of 16 plus 9, that is square root of 25, that is equal to 5. So L we have calculated as 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll find out the surface area of the toy first. Surface area of toy is equal to lateral surface area of cone plus hemisphere. Correct or no? So what is lateral surface area of cone? Pi RL plus hemisphere lateral surface area 2 pi r square. Correct? So what is common? Pi r is common. So pi r is common. L plus 2 and r remains. Correct? So that is 22 by 7 into radius. What is radius? 3. Slant height 5 plus 2 into 3. That is 22 by 7 into 3 into 5 plus 2 into 3, 6. 5 plus 6, 11. So that is equal to 11 3 is a 33. So it is 22 into 33 upon 7. Now 33 to the 66. 33 to the 66 plus 6, 72 divided by 7. That is equal to 7 on the 7. This is 7 0 3s are 21.5 remains. 7 7s are 49. 1 remains. 7 the 7. 3 remains. 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. So this is surface area of the toy. Now they asked volume. B part, volume of toy, that is equal to volume of cone plus hemisphere. Correct? So what is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h What is volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. What is common? 1 by 3 pi r square is common. See, correct or no? So 1 by 3 pi r square I took out. This is h remains. This is 2. Pi is taken out. R square, only r remains. Correct? And that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 3 square. 3 square into h. What is h? 4 plus 2 into 3. So that is equal to 1 3 cancel. 22 by 7 into 3 into 2 to the 6 plus 4 is 10. So it is 660 divided by 7. So that is 7 9 is 63, 7 4 is 28, 7 2 is 14, 7 is 56. So answer is 94.28 centimeter cube. Okay.